It's here for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies Podcast YouTube channel. So now some other kaya me the audio be a bremo. I think somewhere last week. Na sa audio no me report yes based on asema nipakona workers our audio nim no worker no. Chese na Apia Mensah has been granted bail. So that time na news no buy. Na me dey sa audio ne buy na ngofo bebre etro e was sa video no call me videos ni na ko share comments na sia ngofo bebre etro was here. So this is fake news because sa time na me di news no breaking news no bremo no na Ghana has a wobia and reporting on sa particular matter na here. Na sa audio no it was from a person at Debia me kan ho asem a your friend KOD. Na I think later throughout that day Peace FM for breaking news no a lot of websites be breaking news into Ghana for be GD say indeed news na me the bass day no me the bantemum but indeed entem crown na still ne it's here for KOD ya biom esanso the news be aba na eno so very exclusive na nsema work o say na Apia Mensah enche one more time but maybe estimation no yenhwe this week inkosi ewie and next week enche na Apia Mensah ene customers no beba bekasa na chese we chia wo mo na chese enche wo beba na we beti wo mo chese wo no de court case impo de won dwen ho se nia wo be satisfy customers no eno ene asema eda ho nkrofo esanso hinte se na Apia Mensah ba wo be de womo ana womo ka embra woni ha no womo ana womo ka se na Apia Mensah de oyeye Ponzi scheme no obeto challenge amomo se mo ana mo se de meye ne ye Ponzi scheme no mo mbra bonten na mo betre me se de meye na Ponzi scheme na onu KOD ne ka se he hopes se na Apia Mensah be bounce back na wasanso ama Men's Gold ebegina na tese wasanso ashebo operations asiebium na KOD say so this time, if na Apia Mensah kase was sanso start Men's Gold bioma, onu KOD wo beton ne dan ne car. They say what the nisika ni abeshim because na Apia Mensah by doing that no will prove say indeed he's a genuine guy. And you know, I think yes, if na Apia Mensah back no will be tia will bia na what yes said was sanso Men's Gold. I don't know whether Bobenya still in Crawford or musika ko shame sa bioma because you say abro bi beka wa etie for ana you say that be you say say owo kawa usunsunsun no eno ene ebe no owo kawa usunsunsun no na we ye beka ne say ene na Apia Mensah fault eye aban ene eye matese na Apia Mensah chese ne ho beche no enti if na Apia Mensah comes again what shows say aban into me yes ade ne biom man na Apia Mensah ne ho ensan so entry ne biom enti that's the question but you go to nsema KOD what the two ja wakafa na Apia Mensah.
Congratulations to all the loyal Men's Gold customers staff that stood obviously for their CEO Nana Apia Mensah. God bless all of you. You know easy from Dubai. From Dubai to Ghana. You know easy. You know be easy cry Charlie, especially when someone has got your money and same time you are fighting for that person. You've really got to believe in that person before you can fight. You know? Loads of obstacles on the way. We try to jump over all those obstacles. Today I have a message for Men's Gold customers. Are you worried? KOD is saying don't be worried. Sleep. If you have Pokeke, drink. If you have Fanta, drink. Are you worried? You are dealing with Nana Apia Mensah. Somebody who didn't disappoint you for how many years until them decide to mess his business up, you know? Yeah. Somebody who people are scared of him, people are against him. Massa, make I tell you something. One thing about me, KOD, is that me, I don't do half enough. Me, I don't pretend. Me, I don't come on camera and try and play professional and try. Massa, so be a Jimmy, I can say with Jimmy. So be ya DNA papa I can say now you papa. I don't like this thing where people will come on social media and try and be professional on no. Me, I don't do that. If the government then fuck Nana Apia in business up, it be true. Make we not try and sugarcoat anything. If it then fuck them up. Make we talk truth. Say if it then fuck them up. Anyway, what is the future for Men's Gold? What is the future for customers? Make I tell you people. Nana Apia Mensah go address you people. He go talk to you people. And it's not just addressing. It address with action. You know, we say, I know a lot of people are worried. Oh, it be last week where them build them one go house, you know. A lot of things are all over the place. Share the, if you just started watching the video, share. This is for every Men's Go customer that is worried. Every Men's Go customer that is sitting there thinking, hey, what is going on? Oh, I've not heard from KOD. KOD has no live from us, from Dubai to Ghana. I want to hear from KOD. I am telling you today, Nana Appiah Mensah, he is here to come out and tell you that me and you did a legit business. Nipa or see me company no nya correct, you know. He should come out. I'm ready. I'm back. That is what the guy is coming to do. He's not coming to go back and forth with issues. He's coming to tell you, say, I did a legit business. When I was away, who said I didn't do a legit business? I am ready. Tell them to come. I am telling you. Nana Appiah is not here to do and them, massa. Those things it has passed. So the guy is not here to do, and he's here to tell Ghana. One and see me a fake business. Umbra. Everybody will run away. I'm telling you today. You will not see one person. You will not see one church fly safe. They can't stand Nana Appiah. I'm telling you. They can't stand the guy. They are running away. If they tell you that they can stand Nana Appiah, it's a lie. They can't stand the guy. Nana Appiah is not just sitting in his house. The guy is planning things. He will come out and tell Ghanaians, Massa, we did 100% legit business. And this is how we did the business. These people that said it's a Ponzi scheme, they are broke niggas. They are broke niggas. We are blind. The world we there inside, they are still in 1990. The guy is coming to talk. He's coming to tell Ghanaians, say, Massa, me Nana Appiah, I'm here to open you people your eyes. You know, be math. You know, be math. You know, be say, we just the talk. Nana Appiah is coming to tell you people in mind. And nobody go fit stop that guy. Nobody go fit stop him blessing. And they said today, and they said today again. Nobody from Ghana, nobody for Ghana can stop Nam's blessing. Nobody. We are not here to play this game. What do you call it? Oh, and away, you good, and away, massa. So Nyamia Shirawa. No matter who try to bring you down, he can't. It's true. You don't need to pamper somebody. You don't need to tell somebody nice things for them to like you. Nana Appiah doesn't need to do that. If somebody says Nana Appiah needs to pamper somebody, it is a lie, massa. If God blesses you, nobody can stop that blessing. Let us agree to that. Nobody. The guy, God bless him. Nana Appiah is not here to come and say, Ghanaians, and I'm sorry. He's here to tell you, say, who said I did a Ponzi? Who said my business is this? I am waiting for them. I am back. Call them. I'm here. Open the guy's bank accounts for him. Let's open his accounts. Everything for him. Give his accounts to him. If you want to keep the cars and the other companies that you have put your hands on it, keep it. Open the accounts for the guy. Because right now you are not just frustrating him. He's finding other ways to bring money in and pay his customers. We have to open all the accounts for the guy. Nana Appiah, you yourself, whether you like it or not, I do my thing. If somebody go watch, somebody who can't tell you. And what this guy they do, massa, we can't afford to lose people like you, Nam1. Some of us want to be like you. You know, and we like your spirit. Me, Nana Appiah Mensah, even if I have to give up my work and come and clean your office for you and not take pay, I'll do it. Because I know 1 year after cleaning that office, the blessing and the things I'll learn, I'll leave that office and be a manager and be a CEO in my own company. Even if I have to stop working, and because me, I have saved enough money to look after myself, to buy food. So I can come and do cleaning in Nana Appiah Mensah's office for 1 year. And I can bet Ghanaians after 1 year, the knowledge that I'll pick from that office, I'll come out and be my own CEO in my own company. Nana Appiah, it is no money, oh, massa. It is no money. How much can Nana Appiah give you for you to chop? The guy, God bless him. You people know the sister, God bless the guy. You have to tap knowledge from the guy. Knowledge is what you have to tap from Nam1. Open the account for him so he can receive money and start paying his customers. Just open the account. It be simple. If you just started watching the video, share and let your government know that open the account. Nam1 will come and address Ghana. He will address all of you. And he's not just addressing, he's addressing you to say, we will carry on with Men's Gold. And we want people who said Men's Gold is a Ponzi scheme. They accused us. If you accuse me that I have stolen your money, you have to prove how I stole your money. So Men's Gold, me, if Banana Pia say you won't do Men's Gold again, I'll continue. Now I'll continue. Even me, if I'm shipping, what do you call it? If I'm shipping 2 kilograms a year, I'll continue. I'll continue. I'll take over. Even an appear say you won't do it again, I'll take over, because the guy was doing a legit business, and I know you carry on. He will come out and say, I did a legit business. It is called Men's Gold. I am proud to be the CEO of Men's Gold. I am here to carry on with the business. He should come and prove to me why I have to stop this business. Where are they today? Where are they today? Amanda Clinton, where are you? Israel, all of you, where are you today? Where are you today? Ya ka na nkofo bu nse o, nkofo we die e wo ko ma se ma mu bu befo. O mu bu fu e, ya for mu. Ya for mu. If you're a Men's Gold staff, Men's Gold, what do you call it, customer, I'll be bringing you people on live today. Now, let me know what your problems are. Let me know how you are feeling, because me, tonight, I'll drink pokeke. Because I know, oh no, Nana Pia is in town. Are you worried? What are you worried about? Masa, when you are sleeping, the guy is not sleeping, no. The guy is doing, the guy will come and surprise you. You will say to him, indeed, you are #1. This, now I understand when KOD is behind you. I now know why KOD is behind you. Yes, when Nanapia come out and address Ghana, you people say, oh, hey, I now understand why KOD really they believe in this guy. I now understand. The guy no be better. He no be better cry. You know they can't stretch matter. You know they can't fight nobody. You know they come. Yeah, I know Nana Pia masa. You know can't fight nobody. If they can't carry on with him business. But if you don't know where you can't in lane inside, if then you go deal. Masa. If they can't do in business, if they can't carry on with in business, in customers, who where you want can't take your money, can't take your money. Who where you still want day, you go feed day. But if anybody try where you cross in lane, Nana appear to go cross your lane, and me KOD too, I go cross your lane, because we can't afford for God to give us people like #1 for some useless people on Pioto panty asiatete on beba no mabe saying because of their own whatever gains. No, we will not allow that. We will not. This is the time for the youth to stand up for the youth. If the people that are accusing people of running Ponzi scheme are not giving us enough evidence why they are ruining that person's business, we shouldn't stand for that. If they give us evidence, fine. But if they can't give us evidence, we should not stand for them. We should not stand for them. This is the time for us to support the youth. Yes, the youth, wake up. Munye Juma. I'm robbing in Ghana. Why? All because in Jumano, they have decided to do their own thing. And then when any young person wakes up and say, Ghanaians, I am here to help her, they try to let you know, say, without any evidence. The youth, wake up. If they don't give us evidence why somebody is a criminal, why somebody is a Ponzi scheme, we should tell them, fuck off and leave the guy alone. You people don't just fall. Look, don't just fall for cheap talks. Don't just fall for cheap talks. Memamu manko for and take him for granted. Memamu manko for you so knowledge. School kakro mudi omako. They shouldn't beat you with that. Wake up and open your eyes. If somebody doesn't give you a proof, if somebody doesn't give you enough evidence why you shouldn't support somebody, why somebody is this and that, let the person show you proof. Without proof, tell the person, I don't care about your age. You can fuck off. Yes, I don't care about your fucking age. You can fuck off. 20 years from now, you'll be dead and gone. I'll be here with Nana Pia Mensah. 30 years from now, you'll be dead and gone. I'll be here with Nana Pia Mensah. And when I started, Iyoko did press release, blah, 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 blah. Masa, me, if in the course of supporting Nana Pia Mensah, if I have offended any government official, or if I've stepped on anybody's toes, out of respect and age, I respect your age, I am sorry. But then again, something that I am telling you people is that we will continue disrespecting you people unless you start doing the right thing. If you continue doing the wrong thing, we will continue disrespecting you people, sir. I'm telling you, and this is a fact. Ye di mwenim be ye form, uyo opini, now why you arguing say, you would destroy the youth, ye di mwenim be ye form, we would disgrace you, yes. Because you people are making us suffer. You are making the youth suffer. We can't sit on gold and be poor. You know? Say what we are doing, we are not doing it for MPP or NDC. Massa, it's not about that. It's about the youth. It's about the youth, it's about tomorrow. Because most of these people, 20-30 years from now, most of them, their pension crowd, they will go to UK and US for their pension, to relax, to die there. So they will bring their dead body to Ghana and come and bury. Do you know why? Because they don't even trust their own hospital system in Ghana to even go to their hospital in Ghana for treatment. It's true. So most of them, even when they are old, 90 years, when they fall sick, they'll come to UK. They have bought a big house. They'll come and stay there. And then they'll die, and then they'll bring their body to Ghana and come and bury. And you people know this. You'll be in Ghana and you'll be suffering. And then somebody will just wake up and say, this person, or who say, Obi Koswa. No, see, oh, you better destroy no. You catch a Ghana for Munko school. Let's just tell Ghanaians and say, this guy is a criminal. And then that is it. Without any evidence, without any proof. If everybody, one person say Ponzi scheme, Kwasiafuni nyina started Ponzi. Do you know what Ponzi is? Obia anti asiye, Jimmy nkwa. Now, me sorry na me car, on my KOD ending. One say one yani easy. KOD, how many months now? It'll go 1 year since I hold this battle. It'll go 1 year. You Puffy fight. The evidence you take, come you Puffy bring one. Evidence I mean the buyer. You Puffy bring one. Today you were in court with Nana Appiah Mensah. Interpol alert of money laundering disappeared. It disappeared. There was a new case against the guy. Everything that was done was dodgy and fishy. And at the youth, with you are seeing everything. Say, now we almost call left and right. You saw it. You are quiet and you are watching them. You saw it. They were fishy about the whole thing. They were dodgy with the whole thing. Amanda Clinton, who says she's for customer, or Babeka Kwasiasembe Bre. Today they have all disappeared. Imagine the people. Ask yourself, why is it that now that Nana Appiah Mensah is in town, certain people that we were expecting them to talk are not talking? Have you asked yourself that question? Have you asked yourself that question? If me, I am one of them, I say, why should you even let this guy go? I'm going to, I'll be on TV, insulting him, talking. Why is everybody quiet? They want to see the guy's next move. So if the guy doesn't make big progress, they will then open their stinky mouth and come and sit on TV again and start talking about Namwan and Men's Good. You see how evil Africans are. If Nana Appiah right now does a press conference and start paying everybody, they'll all go quiet and hide in their shells. But let Namwan say, oh, me need security, may I say, you see them again, they'll open their stinky mouth and come and start talking anyhow. That's the Africa we live in, where we wait for people's downfall, so we'll use it against them. We'll use it against them. If you think this thing is fair, I'm about to invite people on the live. So, what do you call it? If you want me to bring you on live and you've got anything to say, comment your name. I'll bring you on. How sure are you? I am sure more than your father self he born you. I gave him for Namwan self pass me self my body. I can't give you a time scale. I'm not Men's Good and I'm not Namwan. I'll just give you the tools for farming. So you make your own judgment and everything. That's what I'll do. I'm sorry. I'm bringing people on. Today live video there, it will not be long. It will not be long. Me, I'm not one of those people that people will say, oh, KOD, cool down, massa. It's my Facebook for you. It's my Facebook for you. Oh, please, before I bring you on, make sure that your internet is good. Oh. Comment your name. If you're a Men's Go customer, comment your name. Comment your name. Let me bring you on. I believe. I don't know, Master. Me, I don't know. I'm just telling you people what I know. If I've not mentioned something, that means I have no idea. I believe he's doing fine. Men's good, your boy. Me say na pia or pie no nyaka say men's good abasu na me ton car we me dey ma cool price 60k. Nam dey akoshe ho boy. 60,000 pounds. Nam dey akoshe ho. I no go fit bring people on. I don't know what them do to my Facebook. Like camera no day people them are video in body. So I know if they bring them on, Charlie. Oh, Karma there, Karma go deal with them all. Karma go deal with them all. Them all. Karma go deal with them all. Everybody way they against this thing. Now Pia Mensa and men's good. Anybody way they against Namwan and men's good. Karma go deal with them all. Karma go deal with them all. So every men's go customer, I they tell you, relax, you no get problem. Just watch the action. Massa, it be last week our way, then give nam bill. Plenty things they way if for do. You understand? Plenty things they way for do. As you go, they mess up plenty things. They mess up plenty things. It be now way if for boot things, if for go through fast and things. So massa muntumubu, you know, the company belongs to only him. He be the CEO of the company. If he way go the prison, you know. So this time if they do something, you go make sure say what they do, you know what they do before you go come say something, you know. So muntu muboma Nana Apia. Right now the battle is fought. Nana Apia de Ghana. You have nothing to worry about. You have nothing to worry about. It be me, the KOD that didn't lie to you from day one. The KOD that told you that Namwan hasn't run away. The KOD that told you that Namwan is not a criminal. It's same KOD telling you today that you have nothing to worry about. So what is your problem? You know what is your problem? Check this thing, the scores. Do your due diligence. We've never lied. We've never lied. We've never lied, and that's a fact. The candidate that stood with you, customer, from day one, where people say Nanapia has run away, where people say Namwan is a criminal. That same KOD is here telling you drink Pokeke or Fanta and relax and sleep. You don't have any problem. I'm the one telling you. Forget everybody. Forget everybody. I'm the one telling you, you don't have any problem. Yeah, you don't have any problem.
Oh boy,
Big man.
Charlie Tete.
Oh yeah, me. Yeah. You see the 8 things ago.
We did live.
Charlie, tell your people something.
Oh, they for relax. They for relax, Charlie. They for relax. Money not be everything. But me, I believe in them one from day one. I know the business way they do is they be pure business. We have been to that kind of business before. But just say we run away from Ghana where you can stay in abroad some more. It be
Oh. But your network they break. Today I not go bring many people on. I beg. Today I go bring few people on because I forgo chop. Big man.
If Namwan die today, Namwan die today.
You no go die self. Charlie, you get problem. You don't worry.
Chele also my tia sorry okay what because akwese wa hye nkom na ene amanfo ehu de esi from day one ye ka kire omo ene wi ase obi ehu ne kure no Charlie said the mark na mo anyina na wo he obi edwane 111 ye pese bi ye bebo obi adi ye wo MP ba ko say o tena ono ne radio TV station o pese obebo na mo andi mpo omo ni mo no ye bo ne di o ya mbo ne di omo ni mo no so what you say but me dey say ye Ghana ye hia nipa bi te say na mo an anywhere from day one hey ye tretu ke wodi won beku ke wodi won be say ke wodi hwaiye ke wodi unsuro ke wodi say but you believe in the guy yemu bi na ke ya give you up because of say said o kan ye nko school intamafo betina se kabrofo akese no mo di mislead here they are trying to paint number one black na so nyankopon asebe abo antatie o ma na aduane di no nyankopon na ono anka se nene o prove o ma Ghana ewiase nyina ehu se number one eye genuine asaba o kan yesa press conference na number one be ye no enye so oba be ko ntakwa na ono obi be oda bi ma be allegation against him ene waba who also a Ponzi scheme who also a fake who also a scammer no prove no evidence wo kire se na mo are scammer no fa be hia no na mo hia court fa be hia no ana ye no bia ye nko school no ye lawyers ni MPC bia ye ni tu wo so no wo mo be kasa ya ye dun so mo ka ne kore oh MP1 MPS masi se na mo are se ya je atum ene sa MP ni ministers no mo he obi edwane because mo timi face guy no sabi o ke wodi baby I know wo de be na ohia exactly kasa uye wadwuma ji usika Saudi Arabia na mo me bopa opa de medi menya but you funu said o chire manu ye mbre chire manu ye pare for mo ndwini ye ho de bia wo ka eduru holidays an fa no omoko Dubai
Oh, in network. It talk sense why in network. Make we invite as I say people they put them a name. Make we invite few people there. I'll be we go end the video soon.
Yo,
Big man, what's up?
Big man, what's up? We did. Charlie, they give we people. The view they give you where we take they watch you everywhere. We they watch you. But Charlie, the things where me they pay me from the one we say like Ghanaians. I they see say whether when I brains it be messy day inside or something. Because this thing is start from day one. They call them one Ponzi. Somebody can they talk say na one be Ponzi. With what evidence? What evidence? Me, that's what they pay me. See, I argue plus people on this thing several times. Say the guy they pay people. Where the stupid people when they broke the media so they talk say be Ponzi. All of them they attest to the fact that they pay people. Until this government can't talk say they for sure the business. Right now, this Clinton woman where she can't talk say she be a lawyer for the people. See, if I see that woman for TV, the way I the ball, raw, because I know the get man. Charlie, she not be correct. I don't know whether maybe she not married. That's why she talk plenty like that. You people, you don't get your money for there. People where they get them money for there too. You see me like the people at the CBC Ghanaians if them a follow brother they move on it they pain them. It they pain them. It true. It like the evidence be too much. The white man they talk say me every day my comment be say black man the black people we now we be one of enemies. The black people we now be one of enemies. This thing like white man they do this thing they go find a way to make him find a way for him to put the thing in the right place and serving people. But we get something better. They take help on our people. Black man can't spoil everything. They won't turn everything.
God bless you.
Charlie.
God bless you.
Big up there.
If you men's go customer, you get problem. If you not get problem, cry and pure water. Oh boy. Now one is not just coming to talk, he's coming to talk with action. So cool down. You don't get problem. I say cool. If you are sleeping, sleep.
KOD senior man.
Big man, we day inside. What's up? Libya.
Me adom boku. Senior man why ade wabo masa. Nipa we bi mu ne yepa omo Ghana. Enye paapun no. Nipa bi se bi mu ne yepa omo Ghana. Ama o man akoso. Enye easy why ade what time na appear from since day one. Why ade nyame hira opa. Sa se mo de bia me ka se ye mpanimfo na ankasa Ghana na ye wo. Se omo pa omo nye law bi se even we are above for 45 untimi nko parliament kura na hwese o ma na enye yi a because they say boy youth na yaba masa say untimi fa hwense yi o ebi se ke odi wo yi yentimi fa hwense wi mu say ni nkola kotoa na ye tutu kwa na masa ye nim nyansa o adwen no ho ya be hu ade abrofo no ye hu se mpanimfo no masa ye mpanimfo no mu ye wicked rough mi do nyame obi a wanya 60 years bi ese mesre omu ye wicked masa omu ye wicked Embra prime minister Italian prime minister so unim na Matteo Salvini oba baby aye wo no senior man police kedi na chi mienu pe a police for who so omu team eye police 8 prime minister enye easy enso hwe se MP ba convoy so awode ba sa convoy no kwa one day ne keke no etimi bie company Emma constituency baako sa convoy no nko ada na ankasa no sika o mbeka se ya spending sa convoy na e baaye no omo de koye no etimi bie one company na apia aba hwe Ghana yeti gold so ni ama abrofo China fo abetu no omo de kɔ nipa na ba oye business Ghana fo yeso ye ho nto ye kakra hwe de omo ye no mabo omo de o sa he kin ofori atase hwan na sa he hwan mabo omo de
yenjo omuma nyame mema yembom de yenjo omuma nyame pa so
de omo ye na time cheso omo mpese ye YouTube ye bekoso ye mmere na omo ma no enwa abu chire sese na me ha de ye me ya ne se ye youth na ye so na wo se ye support no ye boa ye na chese ebi mu di o machi hwe se Ghana wo tete wo be kan kro obi mu ka se na Europe ye de e na ebia America ye de Akufo Addo ko holidays okɔ no Burkina anaso okɔ no Cote d'Ivoire Europe no oba o ama Europe okɔ America what ya say bibi nti no oba no na ye ka asem a omo so amu wo Europe mu ye dede kura do no mu America mu ye dede say ye ka no kura na akere wo no kura pa
nyame sharp
na mi so sure
Charlie people know the joke you know people know the joke cry because Charlie what they go on the air time you know but Nanapia but Sisiano they have to open his account and everything for him no to me juma no mun be any account in